Hi, I'm Anthony Haynes. I'm the UK Product and Training Manager for ROTHENBERGER. I've been in this industry for over 25 years, 16 of those as a service engineer. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the Robend 4000E, here in the cordless aligned system version. The Robend 4000E is also available as an amp share version, and even as a wired version, which is called the Robend 4000. All models are handheld electric bending machines, used to bend copper pipes up to 35mm and stainless steel pipes up to 28mm. In the Robend 4000E set, you'll find various bending formers and shoes, and a tripod included. Now I will show you how to bend some copper with this machine. On the scale, you can adjust the bending angle from 0 to 210 degrees, and thus always reproduce the same bending angle. To illustrate, I'll set the angle to 90 degrees, so we can bend the perfect 90-degree angle. Please make sure the locking ring is firmly tightened before bending. This will ensure the teeth on the gears do not get worn down and the machine does not overbend. First, we place the bending former and then place our pipe with the marker at 0 where you want to start the bend. Lastly, add the bend shoe, the second hole in being 22mm, and then you're good to go. Now we can start bending. As you've seen there, the machine has a non-synchronized gearbox. It may happen that the gear doesn't engage as easily as it did before. In that case, you just need to give it a little gas and the gear will jump into place. Now, let the machine run backwards to remove our pipe. There you go, a perfect 90-degree angle, which thanks to the preset bending radius can be reproduced again and again. This machine is also strong enough to bend 35mm in copper. For this you will need a 35mm former and the matching bend shoe. To demonstrate how strong the machine is, we will use some 35mm copper and we will make a 180-degree bend. Again, the former can only go on one way. Add the 35mm pipe and then add the relevant bend shoe. And there you go, the perfect 180-degree bend in 35mm copper with little effort. One last thing to note, older versions of the Robend had a locking switch. In newer versions, we changed this to a dead man's switch to improve safety. That brings us to the end of this overview of the Robend 4000. By following these steps, you'll ensure safe, efficient and reliable performance every time you use the unit. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you ever need any support or servicing, contact ROTHENBERGER or leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Ciao.